Hello YouTuber subscribers and friends. Well, gonna take a look at this green machine today. I've been out here stripping that other beach cruiser. This one was a pain in the butt to get off. The wheels are bent, so I can't use them, but I still want to soak them, see what happens. Crankshaft's bent too, so I got a spare crankshaft there I'm going to use when I put it back together. But I'm looking at this green machine, and it has an adjustable seat here. You can tighten it down and loosen it and then slide it back and forth. And this is the turning thing. But I'm interested in this big long bar here. I wonder what I could do, how I could set that up. But I'm also curious how this thing is put on, this plastic thing. This one has free spin. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know it had free spin. But I need to take that off because I want to use that on something else. This is a regular tire. It's a 20-inch by 1.95, and the tube in itself was blown, but the tires seems to be pretty good. But I'm wondering if I can use one of the other tires from my other BMX. But, there's a lot of things I'd like to use off of this, but it's too wobbly in the back. I tried to ride it before, and I freaking pulled a muscle in my back because it's too hard to keep it straight. So it does have a handbrake here, and I'm going to strip this down just to see how it's put together. And inside my shed, it's really dark in here. It's also late in the afternoon, so I think it's like 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm not sure. I don't have my phone with me. But I'm going to strip this sucker down to see how this thing is built, and video it as I go along. Got my rubber water gloves on. Okay, got the seat off. It says here model 98153B03B for parts. 1-800-872-2453. It's www.huffybikes.com. Huffy Bicycle Company, 901 Pleasant Valley Drive, Springboro, Ohio. Looks like 45066 USA, made in China. And this is adjustable. I had brought out all my tools, and the one size I need was a 10mm, and that was the one I didn't grab in my toolbox, so I got everything out here now. Alrighty, continuing on to the next step. Okay, got the front wheel off. Here in the light. So we can see what it looks like. I'm going to strip this baby down. Here's the front wheel assembly. I'm going to take this off. It's just held on by Phillips screwdrivers. Not screwdrivers, but Phillips screws. I wonder if I gotta take the pedals off to get that off though. We'll see. Well, I've tried everything to get this stupid pedal off or this crank off, and it just ain't working for me. I've tried this pry bar, I tried another pry bar, I tried prying it in between these two 2x4s. I just cannot break this nut free or this pedal free at all on either side. That thing is on there, man. And I can't get these things off either. I mean, they won't go over the pedal. Without breaking it, and I don't want to break it. That's inside of what the hub looks like. And well, I've been trying for about a half an hour to get that thing off, and I busted my finger, split my finger open, smacked my shin, everything. I can't break that free. Just, I don't know. I know I got to turn it this way because I got it to budge that way a little bit, like I was tightening it. It did one little click and that was it. But to get it to come back, I just can't get no torque on it. So I'm done with this wheel. I'm not messing with this one no more. So I don't have the patience anymore for that. Trying it and not coming out with a different outcome is a sign of craziness. So if I can figure out some other, I don't have a vise or anything to get this thing off. But I need to soak it in the CLR because it's got a lot of rust here. It's got a lot of crap there. And that's where I'm at on that. There's not really much to take off. I'm not going to take the wheels off. I mean, the back axle, that's the only thing that needs to come off of, but that's all I'm going to break down on this. I really just wanted to focus on the wheel because all this is just body panels. And you can basically still see what it looks like with the body panel still on. So this is pretty cool seat though, adjustment. It's too wobbly though. I mean, it's just impossible to keep straight. That's a good rear axle for a drift trike, but it has to be stationary. It can't be moving around like that. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I'm not going to dismantle the whole Green Machine. I just wanted to focus on that front wheel and see what that setup looks like there on the front. How they did it's kind of like a unicycle setup. And at the same time I finish my first drift trike, I'm not going to start taking this apart for another drift trike until I'm ready to make another drift trike. But I can't, maybe if I soak it in the CLR, maybe these things will come loose, or the pedal will come loose, or because I either got to take the crank off or take the pedal off. If I can get the pedal off, I can slip this around that and then get it off, but man, I don't know why it's on there so tight. Well, there you have it, a video on how to take a front wheel off a Green Machine to this point. And here's the seat. I sat in the seat. The seat is too small for me. Green Machine. I'm gone. Get gone for today. Time to put that in the CLR. Okay, I'm back after about 20 minutes spraying it with some liquid wrench and then getting the idea to use my stairs as a brace and that bar as a torque bar to put over my wrench here. I finally busted the pedals free and was able to get the side plates off. That's what happens sometimes. You just gotta walk away and do something else until you get an idea. I don't have a vise, but I got stairs and I got it off. Now I can go soak this. I'm going to take this tube out and then I'm going to go soak this in the CLR where the rusty area is. And I can take the tube out of my other BMX bike, put it in here if I ever want to use this wheel. But that's it. Finally got it. Use the stairs slash vice holder. Now I'm gone. Get gone, done for today.